I'm gonna show you how this little dog keeps eating my cereal. Well, okay, I know I called him, but he's being a little fatty. Okay, he gets the taste of it. Oh my god. Meanwhile, she's over there all calm. God. You freaking junk. You see how he keeps going for it?
No, freaking Arlie, last time you said you weren't gonna kill me.
Dying of hunger.
That's why I couldn't test you. I bet you weren't. I bet you were going to.